The light goes on low RPMs. If I drive very slowly, easy. If I drive the high RPMs, and then it doesn't appear. Also, as you see, on the neutral on idling. So the engine is overhauled. The oil seals around engine is changed, replaced. The bearings, crankshaft, piston rod bearings, and piston rings. Also, no leaks outside the engine, no smoking through the exhaust. So the oil level is a little bit lower than max level, the mark on the dipstick. I made sure that it doesn't go over that. So any ideas, please give me any advice. What is this? I will show you again. Here we go.